and welcome to Keto Homestead with Jess. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. I have a buck rabbit. Its teeth are really overgrown, and they say that it can be because of a vitamin deficiency. They say it can be caused by a vitamin deficiency or not having enough roughage. In our case, this is not the issue. The issue is, I believe, is interbreeding. This rabbit was given to us last year, and about once a month we have to go in and trim its teeth. So I wanted to bring you along and show you just how simple it is to do this procedure if you ever have this issue. So I have a pair of dog clippers, and I just go ahead and unlock those. And then Barrett's going to help me by holding the buck, and I'm going to go ahead and clip its teeth. You might want to come a little closer to the camera so they can see. Alright, so his teeth are right there. Hopefully you can see that. They're so overgrown. So once a month I'll come in and try to get as close as I possibly can and clip these without getting a slip or tongue or anything. And this will just help him to be able to drink and chew up his food okay. I know, Guy, I'm sorry. And then his top one. I know, I'm sorry, buddy. This doesn't hurt. It's like clipping toenails, but he does not like to be held like this. That part's uncomfortable. Alright. Alright, bud. So now he'll be able to drink and eat a little better. This rabbit will end up being a butcher rabbit because I don't want this breeding into the other rabbits. So here this fall, when the weather cools down, he will be processed. Alright, let's get him back in.
Ew, he peed on me.
Oh, he's probably scared.
Ew.
Wake up on me. Alright, I want to thank you so much for joining me here at Keto Homestead with Jess. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.